How to fix YouTube not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here we'll find YouTube. Click on it. First click force stop and scroll down until you find the storage. Click on it and then click clear data and click OK and go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here and go to data usage, enable all of those here, and that's it. And disable this one, full screen display, disable it. You will find it like that maybe, and disable it. And that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.